Beardy start. Natural disaster is an overwhelming ecological disruption causing loss to life, property, and livelihood. Disaster involves widespread human, material, economic, or environmental impacts which exceed the ability of the affected community or society to cope with the sudden changes that took place in their life. It has been experienced by human beings since time immemorial. Recently, disasters have increased in frequency and intensity due to our interference with the nature. Last month, on April 25, 2015, Nepal was hit by a devastating earthquake, also known as Gorkha earthquake of magnitude 7.8, in which 7 to 71 people have been confirmed dead and more than 17,000 were injured. The tremors of earthquake were also felt in India. People rushed out of their homes. Around 45 people were killed and hundreds were injured. Numerous aftershocks were also felt by people in Nepal and India too. This earthquake has a piece of the main Himalayan thrust. The started at the epicenter about 80 km to the northwest at Kathmandu and propagated eastward for about 130 km. The area directly located under the capital of Nepal. A new earthquake of 7.3 magnitude hit devastated Nepal again on 12th May 2015. India was the first to send aid to Nepal. PM Narendra Modi monitored the relief efforts personally. Operation Maitri developed 2 dozen military aircraft and choppers for this purpose. During the last 15 years, the country has experienced 10 major earthquakes that have resulted in over 20,000 deaths. As per the current seismic zone map of the country, over 59% of India's land area is under threat of moderate to severe seismic hazard. Disasters are also caused by human activities carried by human beings directly. Bhopal gas tragedy, 2 to 3 December 1984. Chronology: nuclear disaster, wars, release of CFC, chlorofluorocarbons, release of greenhouse gases, environmental pollution like noise, air, water, and soil are some of them. There are some other activities of human beings that accelerate or intensify disasters indirectly, like landslides and flood due to deforestation, unscientific land use, and construction activities in fragile areas. Types of disasters: there are two types of disasters: natural disaster that includes floods, hurricanes, earthquake, volcano eruption, droughts, landslides, emergency diseases, tsunami, wildfire, etc. Man-made and technical disaster include release of hazardous material in the environment, power service disruption, nuclear power plant and nuclear blast, radiological emergencies, chemical threat, biological weapons, cyber attacks, explosion, civil unrest, etc. There is a direct correlation. Higher human development are more vulnerable to risk of disaster and hence higher is needed. India, due to its geological formations and geographical locations, is highly disasters prone country. Its high mountain ranges, long coastline, slow clad high peaks, the rivers in the north combine together to add this problem. India has only 2% total geographical area, which has to support 16% of the total population of the country. There is a tremendous pressure on natural resources directly or indirectly, which further leads to disaster. Along with human population, India has to support large cattle population which depends on biomass and graze in forest area. Forest cover is 23% of total land area and due to overgrazing quality of soil is also degrading resulting in soil erosion. Sitting of rivers removal or fertile soil and heavy sitting of cultivable land. Also, sometimes we see heavy rainfall during the monsoon, which further creates problems for people residing in those areas. Northern part of India faces problems of landslides, floods, droughts, and earthquakes because these region falls under the seismic zone. 2. The eastern region faces problem of floods due to rivers Brahmaputra, Ganga, etc. Heat wave, cyclone, hailstorm, heavy wind and earthquake. The northeastern region faces the natural disaster in the form of flood, wind, outrage, landslides, earthquake as this part of the country comes under seismic zone 4 and 5. The western region faces severe drought, wind erosion of land and soil, flood, cyclone and earthquake. The southern region, coastal region, faces cyclones, sea erosion, tsunami, landslides. Island of Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep are confronted with the problem of sea erosion and tsunami. In 2005, volcano in the barren island on Andaman group of island became active. The most affected group is the poor sections of society who are daily wage earner. They are the most vulnerable and suffer the loss of their livelihood. Even the psychological tsunamis caused by the disasters is so severe that they span whole of the life of victim. In some natural disasters like earthquake, tsunami, cyclones, it is the building structure which becomes the cause of destruction and death. In India, disaster is a state subject. It is also the responsibility of the state to provide every kind of support and assistance to the victim. The central government has a role with proper coordination with various ministries. It extends all required support and helps to state, namely defense service air dropping.